What the hell happened?
Like there's a motherfucking quad in my way.
Dude, this quad's bad luck on these trails.
I went down it like no problem like 2 minutes ago, but this one it slid me down more, and I just couldn't get around this part here.
Who is that up there? They got a winch?
I do have a winch actually.
Yeah, so like get behind, pull up behind that tree.
You want to put some tension on this fucking thing. You got a
Yeah.
winch work?
Yeah, it's never been used, but it works.
Yeah, so pull up the big tree, or even this tree closest to us. Pull right behind it,
Yeah.
and bring the winch out. We can tip this fucker back over.
2 minutes ago, no problem. But coming around here, it slid me more with the lead, and I couldn't. It was like I got.
You know what I'm talking about, Sean?
Trying to come down. I let it.
This tree closest to us.
Yeah.
Pull right up to it.
This is the tree. I rolled
Right
down
forward, so you're up against the tree, and then let the winch out. So when you're pulling him with the winch, it doesn't pull you. It doesn't pull you down the hill.
Okay, and I got bumped up this, and I said I'm off. I couldn't.
All right, yeah, we need to hook up a winch to it. Who's up top?
He's pulling up to this tree right now. He's gonna send his winch down so we can tip her back over.
Okay. You all right?
Yeah. No, it just like pushed me down, so I just like moved it.
Bailed on it.
Yeah. I was coming this way.
Smart idea.
Yeah.
No, just
I was
don't,
holding
you know,
on as much as I could, but then it just kicked me. I was like, I'm off. I'm not.
Derek, what did I look like when I at the bottom of
dude.
this hill?
When he rolled on this same spot, I found him draped over his handlebars. I thought he was dead.
Yeah, but it was at.
Yeah, you were down
way
there more.
down there.
Yeah, I was just trying to let it go down.
Whoa, I wouldn't come down.
He ain't gonna get over there now.
Yeah, sure. He's got
Go
a.
backwards, dude. Yeah, I wouldn't have came down.
It's just too steep.
You can't get up and over that.
Let me go grab. I'll go grab my quad. I'll go.
Maybe
swing.
come up this one and come over here.
Yeah, I'll swing.
Joe, you know that crazy hill we made?
Yep.
Right there.
Is this a second turn?
What happened, buddy?
Just the second loop or the first loop?
Second. The first one came down.
so
Yeah, I
there's
came.
we
Well,
made
you
a
came
trail.
down right there.
Yeah, the
went
first
around
one,
this way.
I almost hit that fucking tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, remember there's a trail right there.
So I was like coming behind and just. It went just like that, almost, but a little farther over. You can I aimed that right there. Just couldn't push it back.
I got a full one, dude.
Yeah. I went down the first time. It wasn't no big deal.
Hey,
Second
listen,
one
when
pushed
we
me
go
over.
back, nobody can talk about that. I close it down. Nothing good to take back. It's down.
You can't skirt that fence right there, Sean.
What's that?
You can't skirt that fence and come right over there.
When I tried, I was just sliding down, almost fell off myself trying to get a roll.
Because once we
Gotcha.
flip it, it's just gonna roll on us, dude.
Yeah. If you think you can get it over there, that'd be my guess.
I think Joey's coming around right now.
Listen, there's 4 fucking 5 people here, dude. Why don't we just roll it uphill, keep the hand on the brake, lock it in place, turn the wheel, let it
Just
fucking
lock out
roll
with your
down.
winch.
Huh?
Yeah, but it's gonna pull him down the hill.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if there's us pushing
Here he comes.
and him as a.
Here comes the Balconator.
Who's gonna go around the track first?
Of course
Watch me!
He's gonna have fun, dude.
Let me see if I can get stuck too.
Listen, I started that hill. See that hill?
No,
I
here we
started
go.
that 'cause of this fucking
Now
hill
we're
was
gonna get a
dangerous.
history lesson.
No, I don't like to do this hill fucking spilled a lot of people. I started that one. My problem is it's cutting it in. On
Yeah.
The top. There's so many
tight.
years of going this way, there's a big berm.
Yeah, see? It's exactly what I'm talking about.
Grab my winch.
Grab my winch, man.
That's what she said.
Uh,
I'm fucking drunk.
oh, yeah?
I'm feeling very good. The whoop-de-doos almost got me a little nauseous, but yeah, I'm feeling
They
good.
did.
Shoot.
I kept hammering it because I can't go up and down. I wanted to skip the middle.
When I hear you say that, I just, all I can think of is I need to ask you what it's like to have a vagina.
It's really fuzzy and cozy.
It's fuzzy and cozy. It's really warm.
Sometimes I bring out the vagina.
No, it is. He's fine.
Where
are you gonna hook it,
supposed to
Joey?
go for a ride.
Seriously.
Get up to the footwell.
We were riding good all the way up until this dude crashed.
We were good.
It's always got to be somebody.
Second time around got me right here.
He wants you to hook it to the footwell?
This trail,
Hey, how about
this is the reason
how about
why
the
I
back
started
tire?
making that one.
Put it right through the back tire?
Yep, right through the wheel.
Right to the
This
wheel.
motherfucker
Stay a little bit more.
Here, I'll set
all
it
we
down.
need you to do is flip it on its wheel. Then ride it downhill. Right? That's what we need,
Right
right?
through the back tire,
I
Timmy.
might be going crazy.
Fucking whore.
Put that bitch on the wheel. Ride it
Fucking
downhill.
whore. Nope.
It was good in theory.
Put her on the axle then.
How about the A-arm? How about the arm right there?
Right here?
The big arm.
Yeah, well, he's not gonna jerk it. We just gotta. We need a little.
Bring this up right here.
We just need a little force. That's all.
Do that. So when I wake up.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I don't care. I'll play with the younger ones. I don't give a fuck. Send it, bitch. I can do it
Tighten
too.
out.
Yeah, there we
Hey,
go.
help him- Hey, Timmy, help him push over.
Oh, you want me to flip it?
Give some fucking space here.
Fuck you got, dude. Send that fucking winch.
Yeah, she's gonna go just fine. That's why I smell fuel. Keep going. Let go of that for a second.
Keep it going, Joe. As long as you get the fucking
Turn
front.
the handle.
Yeah, let some out, right? Let some out. Bring it down a little bit. Let some out.
Out?
Yeah. Turn it right. Let some out.
Yeah.
Oh shit. It's just fucking tipping.
No.
Bring it back in. Bring it back in.
Cut it to the left.
I'm gonna bring.
Downhill.
We're trying, but it's just flipping. Keep pulling.
Here we are.
Keep going.
Need that back end.
There we go.
Now, keep going, Joe. A little bit more. That way we can turn the wheel.
Right there. Right there.
There you go. Now we can turn them.
Put that brake
Hey, they look
on.
straight.
Yeah.
Yeah. Put your brake on.
We're on.
Timmy!
Oh yeah.
Son of a bitch. It's raining again, bud.
I like it.
Yeah, it's just sprinkles.
We're having a good time on our birthdays.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Fuck, dude. Sprinkling. Them motherfuckers coming down now. We got rain in the forecast, folks.
That's why you got a hoodie.
That's what I'm talking about. And you know what? It's camouflage.
It's all about not getting the head
Look, it's
fucking wet.
camouflage, so it's meant to be.
Oh, I can't see you.
That's what I mean. Right.
Other way.
Yeah, I just thought it was slipping right in.
I probably shouldn't be in front of this.
No, we should probably go down.
Yeah.
Yeah, I probably don't know that.
Careful, Paul.
I would have got run over like.
Come on, dude, let's do a birthday without tripping. It's sketchy.
Dude, that trail is no good no more.
If this thing's gonna start, we're gonna have to fucking whip it back.
We're gonna find out in a second.
Let it rest for a minute.
She's been resting.
Can't, Am. Let's put it to
Green
the
button
test.
up top
Yeah,
here.
I got it.
Send that motherfucker. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah!
Brand new, baby. Brand new.
Like it never happened.
Brand new.
I think we gotta have a fucking celebration joint.
Oh yeah? In the fucking rain? Let's do it. Fuck it.